Hi everyone, this is a demo of my real estate Rolodex. This is great for realtors, builders, landlords, property managers, and homeowners. This is very easy to use and comes set up with 200 vendors, but you can have an unlimited number of vendors. It also has 25 service categories and 25 specializations. So let's see how this works. Type in the name of the vendor. Type in the contact person. Then choose the service category. In this case, he's an electrician. Choose the specialization. It's appliances. Then type in the city and the county. Then you can put in the telephone number. Email. The address. And any notes. In the settings page, you can customize the service categories and specialization categories. Simply go in and type in the boxes like landscaping here for the service categories and lawn in the specialization categories. You can also sort and filter by any field. In this case, we want to see all the electricians, and that's what we choose, and we get all the electricians listed out. I hope you found this video useful. I hope you give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I will be leaving a link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment section below. You can also reach me through my website moneyusage.com. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.